Jurassic World. Feel free to take a transport to the main holiday complex. Good morning, sirs, madam. Welcome to Jurassic Park. You'll find a vehicle you can take to the visitor center on the road over there. Changed your mind? Okay, that's your choice. Never mind, there's plenty more fish in the sea. Give me a break.
If you need spares, get them from storage, not from one of the control panels.
Let's get something straight, John. Your investors, whom I represent, are deeply concerned. 48 hours from now, if they aren't convinced, I'm not convinced. I'll shut you down, John.
Alan, this species of Variformin's been extinct since the Cretaceous period. I mean, this thing is a...
It's a dinosaur.
We're gonna make a fortune with this place.
How fast are they? Well, we clocked the T-Rex at 32 miles an hour.
T-Rex? You said you've got a T-Rex?
Say again. We have a T-Rex.